Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Sandstrom from MxU, and we are thrilled today to be partnering with 3CI Church and Stage Audio Works here in Pretoria for the MxU South Africa workshop. We've spent the day so far listening to tracks through our consoles, and Lee Fields and myself just challenging each other with best practices, trying to figure out how we can improve our process. And our hope is that everyone here will get to eavesdrop on that conversation and learn some things that they might be able to apply to their own context. So whether you're the smallest church or the largest church, our hope is that everyone today leaves with something that can improve what they're doing, even starting this weekend, so that their experiences can be more impactful for the people who are attending. Because really, at the end of the day, that's what this is about.
You guys having a good time?
Oh, we're having a great time.
What's your favorite person?
My favorite person?
It's me. Definitely me. Tell me something you picked up today.
I've learned the importance of having a vision when approaching a mix.
Most thing that I've learned is about compressing. I just love seeing how we as sound engineers are like artists and we can just really help paint a great picture.
MxU has been a really good event. I really enjoy the community and everything that I've learned so far. I think the biggest take during this event has been how to use high-pass filter on many different channels, so which was a really new thing for me.
What a great couple of days we've had together with the MxU and Stage Audio Works team and a bunch of churches from all across South Africa and the greater continent. Big thanks to everyone who came and invested your time to level up your ministry and get great tools and help to make Sundays even better.
We're so excited to be here, and we can't wait to come back.